What is up, you awesome people? Okay, it's been about 3 days. OnePlus 60 has launched. A lot of new phones are getting launched in this October, which seems to be very quite busy month for tech companies. Okay, now in this first video, I'm gonna tell you something about why OnePlus 60 is better than iPhone XS Max in 5 terms. So without any further ado, let's begin our video. So first and foremost is price. At this price, obviously you aren't getting every specific features, but it's quite good and has flagship features for its price. Second is battery. Okay, now you might say Apple's battery of iPhone XS Max consumes slow power because of its super processor A12 Bionic. But OnePlus always has come out to be very good battery backup, and also because of its high-end Snapdragon 845 processor, and you are able to charge it super fast through its dash charge technology, and you have to wait about 3 hours to recharge it from 0% to 100% in iPhone XS Max, which is really pathetic in real life. Third one is that annoying and mind diverting notch, which may or may not be a problem to someone, but the display look also matters according to me, which you get in OnePlus 60. But I agree that Face ID requires to take place on that notch, but Apple could have used a thin bezel separately on head for this technology, which would be great in my opinion. Fourth one is fingerprint scanner. Okay, I know. Apple's fans gonna say we don't need fingerprint scanner and touch ID, but here in OnePlus 60 you are not getting traditional way to use it. Actually, you are getting in-display fingerprint scanner to access this technology with by the way, sometimes you don't want to look at the phone when you wake up or while you are running or something else like that, so you may want to use that technology sometimes. So fifth one is 3.5mm headphone jack dongle, which you don't get in iPhone XS Max while out of the box, and you do get in OnePlus 60 box. So those were valid reasons in my opinion for saying OnePlus 60 is better than iPhone XS Max. That's it for today's. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure subscribe my channel, hit that like button along with that bell icon so you don't miss any of my content. Thanks for watching. Love you all. Bye bye.